A lot of collectors will really like this. Hey guys, I want to show y'all how to incorporate one of these into an addressable system and how you can utilize more than just one input. So you do have the onboard panel relays, and that's cool, but you can only set 2 of them to alarm, and it's only like general alarm. So like whenever any alarm goes off instead of, you know, a specific zone. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So we're going to go to configure, and for this we're going to have fire, tornado, and shelter in place. So we're just going to go straight to the NACs right here. NAC first zone. This one will only go off on zone 1. And for fun, we'll set it to Wheelock. And then this one will go for 2 and 3. Wheelock. Next, 24 hours, that's what I do. And one thing you can do, you can have that thing powered just straight with the aux power, which is another really nice thing. I really like that. You can set it to resettable so that it cuts power to the thing. For the sake of this, I will do that. And we'll do voice demo. I just cannot type, can I, guys? You guys are distracting me. We're not going to do an enunciator on this one. And we'll go to graphical view. We're going to add 3 pull stations. Whoops, that's sensors. So, pull stations, and then we're going to add 3 relays. And what these are for, I will show you what these are going to be for. So since we don't have 3 NACs, what we're going to do instead is we're going to use relays to short across these inputs right here. So like between S1, S2, S3, and then ground will go on the common terminals. And if I do get one of these panels at a later date, I will show you how to wire them up. They'll just be like right in the right next to the panel. So we're gonna set this as a fire pull station. And if you got wireless devices, you can use those, as long as they're, I guess, appropriate. Tornado alert. And then shelter in place. Shetler, huh? That's going to be zone 3. And it doesn't have to be a pull station. It does say like device type, but all of these can use a monitor module. And since we've actually got tornado alert, we can actually do that right there. And it doesn't matter that it changes from a pull station to that. So that just turns into a monitor module. So you could have that monitor pull station. So as long as it's a pull station, just has a module in it, so that doesn't matter. You can set it to pull station, supervisory, whatever, and it'll work just fine. It doesn't have to be exactly what it is. Yeah, it doesn't exactly have to be pull station. But anyway, so we got shelter in place for this one. And then this one, we're going to have fire alarm message. And we're going to map that with zone 1. And And then we're going to have tornado message and map it with zone 2. And yes, we can have that silenceable. And then shelter in place message. It's not going to let me type that. Zone 3. And I'm not going to put the smoke in because y'all already know how to do that. No warnings in the verification. Now, if we do have a problem, like say I do add the smoke, and I just put it as 7, right there. If I go to verify, it doesn't show it. But if I put a zone 5, it still won't show it. Yes, it will. See, it's not been connected to any output device because the NACs don't use zone 5 and nothing else does. So that's what it'll do when you verify and there's a problem. So anyway, it's good. So let's go ahead and look at the graphical view. Let's hit our fire pole station. NAC 1, and this relay goes. That's what we want. Let's activate the tornado, alert strobes, and tornado alert relay. Shorts across S2 and ground, and then shelter in place. We'll activate this relay and the alert strobes, which is NAC 2. So pretty basic for a voice board. Maybe SER Safety will take this and do it on his panel. I would love to see him do that, because it is pretty cool that you can, you know, stuff is improving, stuff is getting smaller, you can do all kinds of things with this. And something I really like about this board is it actually has a lamp output, so you can see right there. And it's got a playing indicator and a power indicator, and you can adjust the volume on that. These things can, this one's a 30 watt one, but you can get the 60 watt one, and that, like, I mean, any of them are really good. Like, you don't even have to put a transformer in front of it. It'll be loud even on a 70 volt speaker. So it's very, very good. And I love using these. It's a lot of fun. But I want to see what y'all will do with them. So hope this tutorial helped. And of course, absolutely, please leave me any feedback that you might have. So yeah, anyway, thank y'all for watching. I will talk to y'all real soon.